In the early 2000s, the Singapore construction industry had still not fully recovered from the Asian financial crisis, which destabilized the region's economies. At that time, a lot of construction companies were doing very badly. So BCA came up with a Green Mark for two reasons: to take the lead in envisioning a sustainable built environment and to let companies better themselves by innovating and developing green building technology.
Singapore's Green Mark is actually very unique. Green Mark is developed for the tropics, and it has to address the common challenge of high dependency on air conditioning, which results in high energy consumption. The second thing for Green Mark is that it is a joint effort by the government and the industry players, and in this case particularly the built environment players such as Building and Construction Authority as well as Singapore Green Building Council.
Green Mark was launched in 2005, and the first building to receive the Green Mark Platinum Award was the National Library building, which created its own wind to cool its atrium.
The Green Mark scheme has been instrumental in this journey. It offers a clear, credible and practical framework that helps developers like CDL build better from the start. It's more than a compliance tool. It's a roadmap to creating buildings that are future-ready, resource-efficient and environmentally responsible.
When I was World Green Building Council Chairman from 2016 to 2018, it was the exact time we rolled up the Advancing Net Zero movement. And Singapore was one of the first countries to respond to taking concerted action to roll out a net zero program.
In Batam, I have managed to implement the first carbon-neutral industrial park, using the Green Mark scheme as a base, and even on board the first airport in Africa using the scheme, and recently managed to implement the Green Mark Platinum Super Low Energy for a building in Dubai.
Over the last 2 decades, the Green Mark framework has transformed how we design, build and operate, setting measurable benchmarks that go well beyond regulatory compliance.
As we strive towards net zero by 2050, energy efficiency will continue to be a top priority. The Green Mark scheme will also evolve to encourage the adoption of circular economy principles, whole-life carbon accounting, and advanced solutions like smart building management systems to integrate and optimize operations.
From our first pilot projects to today's portfolio of Green Mark Platinum and Super Low Energy building, we have seen clear business value from lower operating costs to stronger tenant loyalty and increased asset performance.
I truly believe he has a greater role to play now. While energy remains a main focus, with the broadening of other sustainability topics such as carbon and digitalization, it strengthens our professional advisory role. So as a consultant, the Green Mark scheme empowers me to onboard the best sustainability features that will bring the most value to the building and to its occupants.
Since its introduction 20 years ago, the Green Mark scheme has become one of the leading green building tools in the world. We will continue to collaborate with the industry to enhance the scheme, taking into consideration national priorities, emerging global trends, and the needs of our key stakeholders.